Hi, this is Tim with Friendship RV. We are in for a treat today. It's not often you can say, I've got the coolest trailer on the lot, but today is one of those days. This is a 2022 Apex Ultralight 266 BHS, and it has got some really cool things. Let's take a few minutes and go through it here. Power tongue jack. Pass-through storage, and these are what's called a slam lock, and what you do is they slam shut. Magnetic clips on the top. We've got a tremendous amount of storage front and back of this unit. There's actually two doors, front and back. Very cool. Power awning with LED light strip. Solid entry step. We have a camp kitchen. Now, magnetic clips on the top. Locks it right in. Mini fridge. And then this cool grill. You pull it out and it rotates. And then you pop it up. Haven't seen one like that before. It's very neat. Let's go inside. Now this is a bunkhouse unit. So, it's kind of set up like a toy hauler with the bunks in the rear. You have bunks in the rear, lights, USB ports. Very cool. Traditional jackknife couch, folds down, but wait, these have footstools too. Fireplace, AM/FM stereo, TV, cabinets, U-shaped dinette. This is a new Freon refrigerator freezer. You need to take a look at this one in person. It is huge. It might not show up on the camera, but trust me, it is very different. Okay, if you look around this unit, the first thing you're going to go is, the bunks are cool, the couch is cool, but I need some more storage. Hey, what's this handle here for? This opens up and you have all kinds of hidden storage back here. Love it. Motion light back there, very cool. Alright. Our shower area, lots of room here. Then our front master private area. And more storage. Flips up. This is Tim with Friendship RV and the new Apex, the coolest unit on the block. Alright, thank you.